औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Students, in our previous lecture we have started our chapter number 11 and exercise we are going is about triangle and its properties. First three questions we have completed in the previous lecture. Now we are moving towards question number 4, and the question 4 is find that DAB is a straight line, find values of the unknowns in each of the following figures. A part I am going to solve for you. This angle we have to find, which is 8 degree. Interior angles are 47 and 55. You can see that two interior angles are given and one exterior angle is given. According to the property of triangle, an exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. This means that I am going to apply this property, which is exterior angle equals to sum of its opposite interior angles, like this. After adding, answer is 102 degree, which is A part. B part, you can see that there is a straight line A and C. Now this is the combination of two triangles. If I going to separate them, this is like this. One is this and other one is this. A is common. A, C, D, and next is A, C, B. These are two right angles. Here is 50 degree and we have to find B degree. Here 35 degree is given and we have to find C degree. First of all, I am going to solve for triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, 50 degree plus 90 degree plus B degree equals to 180 degree, because according to the triangle property, sum of interior angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. Now adding 50 and 90, it's 140 degree plus B degree equals to 180. Now B degree equals to 180 degree minus 140 degree. B answer is 40 degree. Next triangle is A, C and B. In triangle A, C, B, 90, 30 and C, 90 degree plus 35 degree plus C degree equals to once again 180 degree, because it's the sum of three interior angles of triangle. 90 plus 35, this is 125 degree plus C degree equals to 180 degree. C degree equals to 180 degree minus 125 degree. C degree equals to 55 degree. This is B part of question number 4, exercise 11A. In C part, 110 is exterior angle, D, 3E and 2E are interior angle of this triangle. According to the straight line angles, you know that straight line angle equals to 180 degree. So 110 degree plus D degree equals to 180 degree. D degree equals to 180 minus 110 degree. So the D degree is 70 degree. Now, according to property of exterior angle, this is equal to sum of two interior angles. So 2e degree plus 3e degree equals to 110 degree. 5e degree equals to 110 degree. E degree equals to 110 over 5. E degree equals to 22 degree. This is C part and our question number 1 is completed. Question number 5 is, if the sizes of the angles of a triangle are 3x degree, 4x degree and 5x degree, find the smallest angle of the triangle. Like we have 5 question is like this, and the given is 3x, 4x and 5x. 3x, 4x and 5x degree. By applying the interior angle property, 3x degree plus 4x degree plus 5x degree equals to 180 degree. 3 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 15. 7 plus 4, 5, 12. X degree equals to 180 degree. X degree equals to 180 over 12. X degree equals to 15 degree. Now the smallest angle is 3x degree. Smallest angle equals to 3x degree. Now we have to place the value of x. 3 into 15 degree. This is 45 degree. This is question number 5. Question number 6 is, in the given figure ABC is a triangle line, straight line, given that A, D and B angle. A, D and B angle means this angle. Next is BDC. BDC, this angle are equal. So let's suppose angle ADB equals to BDC equals to x degree. We have to find out angle BDC, BD and C. This angle we have to find out. And the next one is find angle CBD. CBD, we have to find this one. Let's suppose this is y degree. Triangle is A, D and C. In triangle A, D and C, 90 degree plus x, because this is combinedly taken as x plus x and this one is 20. 90 degree plus 20 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. 90 plus 20, 110 degree plus 2x degree equals to 180 degree. 2x degree equals to 180 minus 110 degree. 2x degree equals to 70 degree. X degree equals to 70 over 2. X equals to 35 degree. This means that angle BDC equals to 35 degree. To find out the y angle, we have to consider the triangle D, B and C. In triangle D, B, C, y we have to find x is 35 and 20 is given. 35 degree plus 20 degree plus y degree equals to 180. 30 plus 25 is 55 plus y degree equals to 180 degree. Y degree equals to 180 minus 55. Y degree equals to 125 degree. Students, kindly note down your questions because these questions will not be repeated after the reopening of school. Question number 7. Given that ABC and BED are straight lines, find the values of the unknown in each of the following. In this question, students, we have to find out the values of A and B in A part of question number 7. For the triangle F, G and E, in triangle F, G, E, angle B is exterior angle. So according to its property, exterior angle is the sum of two opposite angles. So B degree equals to 90 degree plus 30 degree. -122 degree. To find out the A, first of all we have to find 115 degree is its exterior angle and it's equal to the sum of A and this 90 degree in triangle BCE. A degree plus 90 degree equals to 115 degree. 115 minus 90 degree. A equals to 25 degree. Now students, C is the common exterior angle of both triangles. Inner one is DCB and outer one is AB and E. So we can say that exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now according to this point, one is this opposite and other one is the combination of this one. So C degree equals to 27 degree plus 89 degree plus 22 degree. So C degree equals to 138 degree. Also note down your diary. You have to solve question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 for your homework on your lead copy.